New deals just dropped at the lowest. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way you tour the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. I already got this mower. This is a push Craftsman mower, gas, 21-inch, 269, down from 329. It's actually a pretty good deal if you're looking still for some gas. Alright, so you got the misting fan. This is the Eagle misting fan that everybody wants, 139. Yes, it's down to 139. It's crazy clearance deal. This thing's a beast. You got 147.57 for this edger. A landscape edger. It's 140cc. Regular price $369. So that one's on clearance. You got this one on clearance, guys. Backpack, Eagle backpack blower, 600 CFM. Brushless motor. So 107 down from 269. That's it. I don't know. It was hard to pass on this one because I wanted this one so bad. You got the Cobalt 40 volt string trimmer, Gen 3, down to 63.57. You got the 24 volt string trimmer with the 4 amp hour, down to 59.57. Check this out. You got some grills here. So 14.92 down from 59. Crazy deals, guys. And yeah, clearance. So these are going out the door. And they had another blower here. No prices on these. I guess they just barely pulled them out of the shelves because they're gonna be clearances these older models out, bringing the 2023. You got $6.99 for the chipper shredder here. This is a 3-in-1. This is actually a pretty nice, pretty big unit actually for the. I think it's bigger than the Harbor Freight one. So you got a V20 Max brushless 20-inch push mower, and you get a 13-inch straight cordless string trimmer with edger and battery included. So if you buy a mower, a Craftsman mower, you do get a string trimmer for free. $34.97 down from $69 for this edge trimmer that it is corded. You got this universal cover, $6.67 down from $26. So if you buy the grill, you got the cover there, the combo. $17.47 some toys, some tools for the kids. You got another grill cover here for $8.47 down from $26. This is the clearance section, by the way. You got 1 gallon gas can or plastic. Battery charger. This is for the Black & Decker. You got this 29 piece socket set and some bits for $11 down from $14. You got this edger. This is a 40 volt max brushless 8-inch edger, down to $51 from $129. That's a really good deal, especially if you're on those line. I do not need one, so $42 for this fan. If you guys doing remodels, guys, this is the time to purchase a fan, basically. So $59 down from $74. And then I saw this. I don't know exactly what this is. It says Trimmer Plus. If you guys know what that is, let me know that in the comment section. What that thing is. It looks like a blower, some sort of, I don't know what it is. You got this impact driver or impact wrench, $39. You got a grinder for $175. That's DeWalt's 20 volt max XR. Then you got this die grinder for $104, down from $149. That's it right there. 5-year limited warranty. You got this light down to $47.17 from $59. I got a 40-piece drill drive set for down to $8.97 from $14. They're already sold out on that one. You got a 10-piece T-shank jigsaw blades for $9. This is actually a pretty good deal for these. Then you got a laser leveler for $49 and a measure for $99. All the flex stuff, it's on clearance, guys. So $4.98. Nobody wants this. Nobody wants to buy these, so they're going on clearance really low. And this one's down to $9.98 from $12. So all these accessories. If you guys haven't checked out my video where I put accessories into my Milwaukee pack, I'll make sure you guys check that out. $39 down from 79. The suitcase is actually pretty nice. Even if you're not on the line, you can, put a bungee cord on your Milwaukee or your DeWalt's and get going with your pack out there. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy neighborhood tools, you get a starter kit for free. It does include the oscillating tool, the jigsaw, and the hammer drill. Alright, so this is not the new one. This is just the 887, but it does have the power stack batteries, or at least one of them. So down to it is 89, down from 219. Got the buy more save more. Yes, this is the brand new buy more save more. It's to the 426. So you guys got a few months to get this one. You spend $500 or more, you save $150. Spend $499 or less, you get $80 back. Save $80, or spend $399 or less, and you save $30. So obviously the 500 is gonna get you the better deal. I don't know if you are able to hack it. A lot of you say that you are able to hack those, the buy more save more, but not the buy one get one free. Got a 2 amp hour battery for $19.67. That's a killer deal on that one. So if you guys need a battery, go get it. You got a Freak. This is an impact driver, impact wrench for $99. Jump from $159. Buy more, save more for Bosch. Same thing. You buy $450, you save $150. You spend $449 or less, you save $75, or you spend $299 and get save $30. It runs to the 5th. So you guys got more months on that one. $55 on clearance, and you got some spade bits here. Clearance, $8.98, down from $12.98. Pay attention to these Linux blades. They're all on clearance. All the hold saws, Linux hold saws, and other accessories are on clearance. You got the DeWalt cordless cutout bare tool, $134. You got the angle drill, so $119. You got a sander, a Kuroshi sander, $103, down from $159. You got a hammer drill kit, $239 from $299. That's nice. I believe it's the $999. You got the circular saw, down to $165. You got the 20-volt auto combo kit, down to $179. You got the Metabo reciprocating saw, $34. You got the grinder for $111. You got the jigsaw bare tool, $27.47. That's a killer deal on that one. Whoever got that one, that's compact router for $40. That's a really good deal too. A 2-piece combo for $199. I seen it lower at the other stores. Triple hammer, $135. I seen it lower at other stores. I seen them for like $100 or $90. And that is the angle grinder. That's actually a pretty nice angle grinder. So if you guys are on this line, make sure you guys pick yourself, or check this out. This is new to me. I've never seen this before. Cordless radio. It is compatible with Bluetooth at 18 volts. It does have includes an AC adapter, so you don't have to have those batteries. No price on that one. So $59 for these two 2 amp hour batteries, or you got this 4 amp hour battery. They're clearing these out. $47.57. That's not bad. And then I bought this. This is a 2 amp hour, because remember I just made a video about jump starting a battery, because I did not have the same battery. So now I have two. $19.67. You got a 9 amp hour battery for $135. But if you're gonna be spending that much, might as well just get the buy one get one free, because you're spending what, $25 more or $15 more, which is $149, and you're gonna get a free tool. You're going to get just about the same amp hour. That is the charger for the Flex. And then you got the Chameleon, down to $91 from $229. That's a really nice set there. So I should have just picked it up, because it's a really nice set. Compact jigsaw, down to $103 from that is the jigsaw, from $129. And then you got the combo kit, the 2-tool combo kit for $87, down from $109. And you got this one down to $151 from $189, the 2-tool combo kit, brushless. Edge router, down to $127, $159. That's it right there. Got a couple of those. You got a planer for 47, down from 189. That's not bad. That's actually a pretty good deal if you're on the line. And then this is a barrel grip jigsaw from 103, down from 129. And then the chameleon for, which is, I think this is the best deal out of all of them. Alright, so you got your choice of the DeWalt 12 volt max barrier tools. Get a free starter kit, guys. This runs down up to 3 months. You guys got 3 months to get that deal. I would jump on it if you see it, because these will sell. And this guy was telling me that they do price match Amazon, so if you they have to be fulfilled by Amazon, so they could be price matched. Other than that, they're not gonna do it. So buy one get one free, guys. This is a brand new buy one get one free. These are the brushless RP top of the line Craftsman. You buy a starter pack with two 2 amp hour batteries. You can select from a circular saw, impact wrench. Looks like a 3/8 half an inch, a drill driver, impact driver. Looks like what is it? A router. Oscillating tool. So that is the two battery pack you have to buy. That is the impact wrench, valued at $99. Half an inch impact wrench. You got the router, valued at $99. You got the grinder, which is the same as the DeWalt, maybe a little less power, but just the same thing. It's brushless. You got the impact driver for valued at $99. You got the drill driver. Oh, this is a hammer drill. Yeah, it is a hammer drill. You got the oscillating tool, same thing, very similar to the one from DeWalt, so it should take the beating. You got the reciprocating saw. You got the buy more, save more. You spend 300, save 100. You spend 200, save 50. Spend 100, save 20. Lots of killer deals on this, especially these drills, these brand new drills. They're more compact, they're more powerful. Check this out, impact wrench. This is a mid-torque impact wrench for $229. You got a reciprocating saw for $129. You got a 4-piece combo kit there for $299. And then you got the circular saw for $129. Brushless. Alright, so you get this. They got this on clearance. Remember, guys, on the other section we saw it for $8. Now it's $5.57. So if you guys see it at your store, you guys might be able to price match it. So if you guys show them a screenshot of that. These are the tools that you're going to be selecting so you guys could get your free starter kit. This is going to be the starter kit. I think that's it. So it is a 5 amp hour and a 3 amp hour and a charger. We got the portable job site fan on clearance for $22. That's Craftsman. They didn't have that. You got a mechanics tool set, 227 pieces. That's a killer. That's a good deal on that one. Not a killer, but it's a nice deal. Pretty good deal. So $99 for an 8 amp hour battery, down from $139. Cobalt. And then you got 3-in-1 SAE, down to $43. You got folding miter saw. This is from Craftsman, $159. Very different how it has the motor on the side, like kind of like a worm style. $71, down from $89. It's on clearance. Miter saw stand. I don't know why they have it on clearance though. Down to $549 for that one. You got a 10-piece drill bit or drill drive. $657. That's actually not bad. You got this Apex. All the Apex stuff is on clearance too, so $397 on that set. The doors, guys. If you guys are doing remodels, and if you're lucky to find your door, the size of your door. I mean, I was looking for these, see if I would find something for my house, but you know, these are way too big. I got the older 50s home, and I got really small doors, so these are really huge, and they're really nice too. So this one's, you're gonna save yourself a couple bucks there on that one. And they do have the glass. It's like what is it? What do they call that template glass? The privacy glass. That's what they call it. So that's really nice, and you know, big doors here, but like I said, they do not fit my house. Alright, so we got the nailers, guys. There we got some nice deals on the nailers. We got an 18-gauge brand nailer for $99, down from $134. These are solid, guys. These are DeWalt family or Black & Decker $2.99 for the framing. This one's a little expensive, but it's pretty nice. Guys, new DeWalt deals just dropped. These are the new DeWalt deals with the power stacks, $1.99. You get to select a free power tool when you buy your battery set. You can select from the rotary, from the drill. Looks like an impact wrench, 1/2 inch and 3/8, impact driver, a sander, oscillating tool, circular saw, angle grinder, and a reciprocating saw. So all those will qualify for a free tool. And then you get to select these nice batteries. These are really compact batteries, and they do punch. They do kick. So they do power the big tools. And that is another view of this section. I'm guessing they're gonna put a bigger cardboard or flyer or whatever. So $1.99 for the compact impact wrench. That's a 1/2 inch. You got $1.59 for the oscillating tool. That's the XR. You got the drill. I don't know if this is a hammer drill. Can't read it. If it got the rotary hammer, $2.29. I'm just saying, you guys, the value of the price. Obviously, the more expensive tools, it's gonna be the best bang for your buck. So that those $1.99, those $200 tools, are the ones to get with that $199 deal. These cheaper ones, they're okay. Like this $119 one, I wouldn't bother with that one. I would go with Craftsman. Other than that brush tool, I would go with Craftsman brushless. Alright, so $19.98 for these tough grip jab saw. It does have plastic, wood, metal. It does come with the storage case. So this is very interesting what this company is doing. Very good quality. Then they got the saw. This one's different. It says try me. You can flip the handles and start. So it's a blade, and it's a foldable blade. And you can... it has two different saws on each side. So pretty nice, and it is foldable. That is $24.98. And then we got some more here. So we got a scraper knife. This is really nice, because if you guys are doing floors and you want to scrape off paint or whatever you have, this is actually a pretty nice tool. I do have it, but I don't know where I left it. I gotta find it. You got the buy more, save more. So you spend $150, save $50. Spend $100, save $25. Spend $50, save $10. So they do have buy more, save more on this brand. Make sure you guys check it out. Check out these screwdrivers. These are really, really nice. You got an 8-piece screwdriver set. It does include some nice rubber grips, and they are magnetic, guys. They are magnetic. I believe you get a Robertson's screwdriver. And they are compatible with the wrenches, so you guys could get some more prying with some wrenches or adjustables there. And they are magnetic tip. That's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.